Discipline, the ultimate long-term leverage. Picture this. You're at rock bottom, staring into the abyss. No resources, no safety net, nothing to fall back on. In that moment, there's only one tool at your disposal, one lever that no one can take from you: discipline. Discipline is not just a practice, it's the foundation upon which all success is built. It's the ultimate long-term leverage. The beauty of discipline is its simplicity. You don't need money, connections, or even extraordinary talent to wield it. All it requires is a choice to show up again and again, no matter the circumstances. And the best part, it compounds over time, transforming the impossible into the inevitable. The power of leveraging discipline. Discipline is what allows you to turn nothing into anything. It's a silent force, often underestimated because it doesn't shout its victories from the rooftops. Instead, it chips away, quietly but relentlessly, at the barriers in your way. When I walked out of prison, I had nothing but discipline. No wealth, no accolades, no roadmap to guide me. But I had something more powerful than all of that: control over my actions. Discipline became my lever, and I pulled it with everything I had. Day by day, I built momentum. One disciplined choice turned into another, then another, until the momentum became unstoppable. Here's the thing: anyone can use this tool. Discipline doesn't discriminate. It doesn't care where you come from, what you've been through, or how much you've failed in the past. It only asks that you commit to it relentlessly.